Hey, welcome back again for the AutoCAD next tutorial. I'm Ake and you are watching Ake Engineering Tech. So guys, today's topic we are going to discuss about point and point style. And you are seeing this is nothing but this is the point. But you can change the point style. You can change the point style, different point style, different, and select it and go to this utilities and go through this and check, and you can choose any as you want. Okay, and this is where first of all I'm going to use point command, PO only. Okay, and press enter, and after that choose here, again press enter, choose here, press enter, choose here, PO and press enter, choose here, press enter, choose here, skip it. And first I'm going to change this point style. This is the in this way point. Okay, I want to take in point command, PO and enter. This is the point, this is the point, this is the point, this is the point. I can place enter, and you can place anywhere. Again place enter, you can place anywhere, place enter and place anywhere. And see this, there is invisible of these points, and for the visible of points you're gonna select this, and you have to choose these utilities, and you have to change this point style. So guys, first I'm going to take select all these. Okay, select, and after that I'm going to utilities, point style, and you can choose any. I'm going to choose this and press OK. This is our way. And if you want to change the color of this, then again select it, and go to the by layer and press on it, and you can choose and press enter. So guys, in this way you can use point style and use of this point at anywhere. So guys, I hope you have understood this tutorial. So guys, thank you so much for watching till end.